Hello guys, how are you today? Today we are going to talk about Boeing 787 Dreamliner. This will be in-depth product review. Introduction. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner stands as a beacon of modern aviation, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with unparalleled passenger comfort. Since its introduction, the Dreamliner has always revolutionized long-haul travel, setting new standards in efficiency, environmental responsibility, and passenger experience. This in depth review will explore the Boeing 787's features, focusing on its capabilities in diverse weather conditions, crew requirements, and the innovations that make it a true marvel of the sky.